Well, my friends, I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving, because now it is time for us to go back to Crazy Town with these Hollywood celebrities, and today we're going to be talking about Kathy Griffin, who decided to come out and talk about her traumatic experiences having to deal with good old 45, President 45, being president. It's absolutely insane, as you can see from the title of this video, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into all of this craziness that is going on here today with Kathy Griffin. Griffin, whose career imploded in 2017 after she posed with what appeared to be the offed head of the then President 45 in a bloody photo shoot, told Vulture that she now does something called cat cow in order to deal with her PTSD. And trust me, it's just as bad as it sounds, if not worse. So the comedian explained that she makes animal noises while doing the cat and cow poses during yoga. It's when I get on all fours like a kitty cat, and then I arch my back, and I am instructed by my teacher to say the word meow. I feel like an effing fool, rightfully so, but I do it. And then I unarch my back, and wait for it, I moo like a cow. When I get PTSD attacks, I can't stop vomiting. So if I have to meow like a kitty cat and moo like a cow, I'm gonna effing do it. Said her PTSD in part comes from being investigated by the Department of Justice over her infamous photo shoot with the head, as you can see here. I actually do have PTSD, and I'm laughing because I thought that was only for combat veterans. Guys, yes, Kathy Griffin has had a tough time these past few years. It has been so hard being Kathy Griffin, guys. She's really going through it. It's like so much. I have so much sympathy for her, as you can tell. But apparently, if you're put under investigation by the Department of Justice and the president wants you to be charged with conspiracy to off the president, and you're put on the no-fly list, and then your tour is canceled because of threats, and then your phone doesn't ring for 6 years, and then you get cancer and lose part of your voice because half of your lung is gone, you gotta laugh about it, Griffin added. As Breitbart News reported, Griffin announced in 2021 that she had been diagnosed with lung cancer and had to undergo surgery to remove half a lung. She feels America has finally forgiven her, as she is getting phone calls again. Well, I mean, you know, when you do something like this crazy, like in this picture here, yes, it makes sense why nobody would be wanting to call you on the phone. Something has happened where it's almost like America's finally forgiven me or something. All of a sudden, I got a call from the Mirage in Vegas, and they were the first to say, yes, we want you to do a show, and it sold out. So anyway, so she is getting work again, everyone. Good for Kathy Griffin. I don't understand why, because I don't think that she is funny at all. And just keep in mind, these are the same people that think that we should take them 100% seriously in everything that they are, our moral betters. And as you can see in this picture here, Kathy Griffin is definitely a very well-balanced individual, has a good grasp on sanity and everything else. So, of course, you know, Kathy Griffin is someone who wants us to continue to follow her, that she should be some sort of leader in our society. And, well, I don't know. Nothing could be further from the truth, in my opinion. So with that being said, let me know what you think about all of this in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you all in another video very soon.